Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're tired of struggling with your weight, feeling low on energy, or spending hours at the gym without results, today's video is for you. Because in this video, I'm going to show you the most effective exercises to lose weight fast, right at home. No expensive equipment, no gym memberships, just your body, your space, and your determination. So make sure to watch this video till the end, because I'll also share a few secret tips that can double your fat loss and help you stay consistent every single day. Before we start, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our fitness videos. Let's dive right in. Warm up. Before we jump into the main workout, we need to warm up our body. A good warm-up prepares your muscles, prevents injury, and boosts performance. Follow me. It's quick and easy. Jog in place, 30 seconds. Lift your knees, move your arms, and keep breathing. This gets your heart rate up. Arm circles, 30 seconds. Rotate your arms forward, then backward. Loosen those shoulders. Torso twists, 30 seconds. Twist side to side, engaging your core. Feel your body waking up. Jumping jacks, 30 seconds classic move. Full body activation, great for heart rate and coordination. Perfect. You're now ready to start the main fat-burning session. Let's get into it. Main workout. These exercises are beginner-friendly but super effective. You'll burn calories, tone muscles, and boost your metabolism, all in under 20 minutes. Let's go step by step. Jump squats, 45 seconds. Stand tall, lower into a squat, then jump up explosively. This targets your legs, glutes, and burns massive calories. Tip: land softly and keep your knees aligned. Push-ups, 30 seconds. One of the best full body moves. It strengthens your chest, shoulders, triceps, and even your core. If you're a beginner, do them on your knees. No shame in progress. Mountain climbers, 45 seconds. Get into plank position, then quickly drive your knees toward your chest one by one. This move is a calorie burner and hits your abs like crazy. Lunges, 40 seconds. Step forward with your right leg, lower your hips, and come back. Then switch legs. This tones your legs and improves balance. Plank, 45 seconds. Hold your body straight like a board, elbows on the ground. This builds endurance and strengthens your entire core. High knees, 45 seconds, run in place but lift your knees as high as possible. Pump your arms. Your heart rate will shoot up and fat burning begins right here. Burpees, 30 seconds. The ultimate fat burning move. Squat down, jump back into a plank, push up, jump forward, and leap up. Yes, it's tough, but that's what gets results. Russian twists, 40 seconds. Sit on the floor, lean back slightly, lift your feet, and twist side to side. This sculpts your waist and targets those love handles. Repeat this entire circuit 2 to 3 times, depending on your fitness level. Take short breaks between exercises, but keep your body moving. Remember, consistency beats intensity. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to start and keep going. Cool down and stretch. Great job. You made it through the workout. Now it's time to cool down and stretch your muscles. Forward, fold, 30 seconds. Reach toward your toes and feel the stretch in your hamstrings and back. Quad stretch, 30 seconds per leg. Hold one ankle behind you. Stretch those thighs. Shoulder stretch, 20 seconds each arm. Loosen your upper body. You've earned it. Deep breathing, 30 seconds. Inhale deeply through your nose. Exhale slowly through your mouth. You did amazing. Fat loss tips and motivation. Now listen carefully. Exercise alone won't work unless you pair it with the right habits. Here are a few powerful tips to make your home workouts 10x more effective. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water before, during, and after your workout. It keeps your metabolism active. Eat smart. Avoid junk food and processed sugars. Focus on lean proteins, veggies, and complex carbs. Get enough sleep. Your body needs rest to recover and burn fat efficiently. Aim for 7 to 8 hours per night. Stay consistent. Even 15-20 minutes a day can bring visible results if you do it daily. Track your progress. Take pictures, note your weight weekly, and celebrate small victories. Remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Every drop of sweat brings you one step closer to your best version. And that's it for today's workout. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and motivates me to create more content for you. Comment below if you completed the full workout. I want to hear your results. And if you want more home workouts like this, just let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, stay fit, stay focused, and I'll see you in the next video.